Urban Harvest means so much to me because they do so much for the community. And when you talk about community and when you talk about gardening, you're talking about people. And they've impacted so many people's lives over the last 20, 25 years.
Urban Harvest means to me that people from everywhere can work together for a common goal, that gardening really is about bringing people together, about hope, about feeding people. It can just touch so many people's lives in so many different ways. It's just made a real impression to me that people can really work together for positive change.
I think what Urban Harvest means to me is empowerment. It empowers a community for healthy eating, for sharing, for growing.
Its mission touches a lot of different aspects of food that no other organization does.
Urban Harvest is not an entity that is part of the city or the county. It depends entirely on donations. Give to Urban Harvest today.
Merry Christmas. I've learned that gardening is really fun, it's cool, it's hip. Can you dig it?